Oh god, I woke up with a rock. Yeah, a rock flying across my face. Nice. Hey, wait a second. What's going on? It's a person! And I was there. Oh. Wait, what happened?
What is that thing? Could the legends be true?
Your mama's be true.
Legends don't burn down villages.
Wait, your mama burns down villages? Oh!
Now! Up through the tower. Let's go!
Whoa, wait, give me a sec. What happened? You fell asleep. Wait, I did? And then you burped. Oh, I don't know. Whoops. You need to conserve your burping. Okay, Jesus, I just ate. That guy over there. It looks like a... It looks like a,
Jump through the roof and keep going. Go! We'll follow when we can.
Okay, gay cocker spaniel. Jesus! I would touch that. But my hands are tied.
Focus on me. You can do it. Emmett, you need to get over here. Now!
Come on, Ginger boy. I'm running away. Oh god, my mama. It's mama. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, you're dead. Nope, nope.
Into the keep, soldier. We're leaving.
It's okay.
To kill this one.
Why are you so ugly?
You idiot.
Hey. You're ugly. And I told you to shut up.
Everyone to the keep.
Oh help! I'll punch him with air. Okay, that's not working. Poor guy. It's not a noodle. Mama? You can burp too? Cocker spaniel. Hey!
We're escaping, Headlord. You're not stopping us this time.
My name's... I thought my name was Bob.
Fine. I hope that ready takes you all the sober guys. You, come on. Into the keep.
I'm Father and Junior. I'm out. Huh. 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 Okay, that's the worst part about the games. Loading screens. And noises. But mostly loading screens. Keep that in mind, people. If you ever decide to make a game, make me happy and not put loading screens on it. Skyrim, I see why I had loading screens though. I mean, it's a game with loading screens, period. But games that have no, like, I can't even think of one. But you guys know what I'm talking about. Oh crap, if you look real closely, it's moving. What?
Looks like we're the only ones who made it. That thing was a dragon.
I know. What? It wasn't my mother?
The children's stories and the legends. The harbingers of the end times.
Oh gosh. You mean that thing?
Come here. Let me see if I can get those bindings off.
Here's the plan. I go find my mama, and we all
Let's
both in
cut you
peace.
loose.
Okay. It's a good plan, right?
There you go. You may as well take Gunter's gear. He won't be needing them anymore.
Yeah, no.
Grab Gunyar's gear. No shame in borrowing a friend's axe. All right. Get that armor on. Give that axe a few swings. I'm going to see if I can find some way out. Ah, this one's locked. Let's see about that gate. No way to open this from our side.
Do what's the plan?
Come on, these orders! Keep moving! Cover! Get this gate open!
Hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I think I scared him. How about you take the... Oh, okay, okay. Wasn't me.
Maybe one of these
Is that
Imperials
gay
has
guy?
a key. Let's see here.
Oh, let go of her. Hey. He's a bad. He's touching her the wrong way. It's bad.
Let's see it.
Okay. So, I need the...
That door.
Okay. Graphic nudity. Just kidding, it's not nudity. I need a sword. Dual swords. Then I need I will fight Nana. Because I'm a boss of this.
Power down on our heads.
You mean my mama? They're crazy, dude. He's crazy. Uh-oh. I really need to stop burping. Hey! Hey! No, seriously, hey. Hey! Nice. Oh my god, bruh. I don't get this. Okay. So, I have healing and destruction. Oh. You killed him. Yeah, sure. I'll take that iron pot. Let's continue. Okay.
Done. Let's get moving.
Get your freaking face. Wait, how long can I record for? 14.
Hear that?
Hey. Oh god, I scared him. Don't. I only want to be friends. Oh, why you come back?
I cannot rescue.
Only want to be friends.
Victory is yours. I submit.
Ooh, skeletons. Sorry, I think. Oh god. Oh yeah. Bad Billy Bob. Okay, so if we keep going down, we will see nothing but your mama's butt. Okay.
Orders are to wait until General Tullius arrives. Seem to be killed by a dragon.
Hi. No, seriously, hey. God, his face is more uglier than my face. How? You abundant souls, I bless the mercy. Here you go. How'd you do that? Don't walk in flames. Walk in shadows. And messes by the Cody operation. Okay. Wait a minute. So if I equipped this with that, I automatically have a bow sticking out of my... Ball shot. Oh yeah. I don't like people like you. Get off of there. Gay freaking... I don't like that. Okay. What are you doing?
Let's see if we can find a way out of here. Let's see where this goes.
I got a boat. Hold it in. Oh, there's a boat. Please. I gotta hold it in. Got a boat.